Hello, we're here to do an unboxing of the UTG Tactical Op 2 Bipod. This is under the gun with a Picatinny or swivel stud mount, and it is the TL BP88 model. It gives you a center raise of about 8.5 or 8.3 inches to 12.7. I have not opened this yet. It just arrived via Amazon, and we're going to take a look and see what it has to offer. A little bit of an instruction kit right here. There's all different sizes. That's the tactical, universal, or the dragon's claw to mount to your barrel, and the various heights they come in. Set features with each one. Instructions. More instructions. And for the barrel mount. Now, I've watched a YouTube video or two about this. This installation should not be too complicated. Here we're going to be using the Picatinny mount. The swivel stud. Go ahead and do a safety check. And remove the bolt. Before we go any further, this does look very sturdy. Now, I think most of the pictures show it like that. I was hoping to have enough room to mount it like that, so when I put a sling on later, it'll be able to go from the back to back without having to go through the actual bipod. Looks like I have enough room for a good solid mount like that. And they say that you won't always have a good clear hole through there and there, and you may have to loosen up your swivel mount in order to do so. This thing comes latched pretty good as it is. I'll put a Phillips in there. I do not believe there is any use or any need to put some blue Loctite on this, but if you wish, you should be able to. Let's bring this all a little bit closer. Let's see, we got a hole there. And it lines up perfectly with my gun. Another threads on the opposite side. Sorry for the background noise. It's my two sons out there arguing. Looks like I may have lied. Looks like I'm having a little bit of difficulty getting that to line up on the back side. So maybe I myself need to loosen that up. to raise it just a bit. Threads are away from me. Okay, we're threading now. I'll make sure you get this good and tight. There we go, that's nice and tight. Like I said, I believe I can put that facing away. This seems very tight. More. Here we go. And here we go. Here she is. This is our unboxing. Hope to go back through later and do a more in-depth review to how it's held up. As you can see now, she looks good on it. Alright, thank you very much.